My name's Luke and I come from a small town called Carnarvon in North Wales. I'm a chef by trade, but in my spare time I like to come up with weird and wonderful business ideas. This time, to keep me motivated, I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So sit down, relax, and let's build a business together. Hi, so in this video we're going to create the Maxen chili sauce. Over here I've got 250 grams of Dragon's Breath chilies, the red ones. I've got 8 grams of garlic and 2 grams of thyme and 6 grams of salt. So in this part I'm going to create the mash by blitzing up the all the ingredients, and then in the second part, after it's fermented, I'll be adding a secret spice mix, and we'll be finishing off with a bit of vinegar. Right, let's get this started. So let's get all the chilies in the blitzer. I'll do half first. There we go, that's enough for now. Get this lid on. I'm going to be keeping the seeds in these ones. In the finished product I might be keeping some of the seeds back, but we'll see how hot we can get it with these seeds. There we go, lid's on. Let's get this connected. There we go, that's in, plugged in, yeah. Right. Right, I'm just going to get the rest of these in there and blitz them down with these, and I'll be right back. Okay, that's all the chilies in there. Now let's get the garlic and the thyme going through it. And 6 grams of sea salt. It's important that you're using sea salt or rock salt or something, because if you use normal table salt, it won't ferment for you. It's got some stuff in there that'll kill off some bacteria. Right, let's get the lid on. And let's get it on the machine. Right. Well, we'll have to give this a bit of a shake as we go. Okay, I'll blend this down and then I'll be right back. Okay, so that's our mash blended down. Let's get it into a jar. Right, we're going to be using the bag method again with this one. Hopefully there won't be too much of a gap from the top. The garlic's still a little bit whole there, but it doesn't matter. I will blend it again with the spices and the vinegar after it ferments. Should be fine. Right, let's get all of this out. As much of this as we can out of there. Not looking too bad. Maybe we could do with just a little bit more of the chilies next time, because there's a little bit too much of a gap than I like on top of the mash. I'd like it really to come up to about 1 centimetre from the bottom. This is probably going to end up about 2 centimetres. Not to worry, we'll have a go anyway. Right, that's as much as I'm going to get, I think. Right, I'm just going to clean the edges so we don't have any mash by itself at the top, because it might get a bit of growth on it if you leave a little bit on the top by itself. There we go. It's clean now. Right, so as we did before, pop a bag over. I'm just going to push the bag a little bit in. There we go. And then pop a elastic band over the top. And there we go. We'll put this in the wine fridge, which is set at 19 to 20 degrees. Should be fine. Right, that's it. I'll see you in a couple of weeks when the rest of this is fermented, and then we'll add our last ingredients in a bit. So it's been about 2.5 weeks now, and the chili mash has fermented. I'm gonna finish the sauce off, the Maxen super hot chili sauce. I've made a little label on a bottle, and for this I'm going to use 10 grams of the Flame Baster super hot barbecue seasoning, which I've measured out here, 10 grams of white sugar, can't quite see it in there, and there we go. And then we're going to use 20 milliliters of cider vinegar, as well as the chilies. Right, I'll get the tripod set up. I will put all the ingredients in my little blender here. Okay, see you in a bit. Right, let's get all the ingredients in the blender. I'll start off by putting the chili mash in, and followed by 10 grams of my secret ingredient Flame Baster super hot barbecue sauce, 10 grams of sugar, and 20 ml of cider vinegar. Right, I'm going to bring that up to the boil quickly just to stop the fermentation, so it'll kill off any lactobacillus still in the chili sauce mix, and it'll stop the fermentation from eating up all the sugars that's in it. So I'll just blend this up. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's just coming to the end of its boil now, so I'll turn it off. Right, let's give it a little bit of a blend. There we go. Okay. I'll get it into a jug. It's nice and thick. Wow. It's very, very strong. I bet that's going to be really, really hot. Right, I'll get some into this jar here. Sorry, this bottle. And then I'll get set up and we'll try some. I might add a little bit more vinegar in the next batch, just to thin it down a little bit. But I was trying to keep as much chilies in there as possible, so that'll be super hot. Wow. Right, I'll set up the tripod differently and we'll have a little taste. Right, let's have a little taste of this bad boy. Wow, that's super hot. Wow, it's even weapons grade hot, I should think. It tastes like pure pepper spray. It's got a nice aftertaste though. You can really taste the garlic in there. Nice sweetness. Yeah, it's a nice fermentation, that. Right, that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, guys, please subscribe. We'll be giving away free prizes after we reach 1,000 subscribers. Please also like and comment. We like to know what you think of our videos. We'll see you on the next video.